Honestly, if I can probably break it if I try.
Cyborg activated.
Alright, everyone get him one on the left, Alpha.
Alright, and you get Grubby.
Alright, bravo. Like,
Ooh.
How do we shut it?
You don't, mate. You don't
front
just
axle.
hold port blows once you're inside, just stay put.
All good. Oh, got a new head up.
Yeah,
Quarters
1-3.
on the dirt, we're gonna
You've missed a chance to drop through in pod. You'll have to wait till we're finished.
Look at my feet.
Oh, I might have hit you.
Really?
Jesus. What the hell?
Yeah, he probably hit the ground, mate.
What? Where am I? The fuck? Oh shit!
Holy crap!
Hang tight, boys.
Oh my god! I'm rolling!
Elevator to hell.
Oh dear.
Ejecting doors.
Okay.
Bravo medic in, still in his pod.
Yeah, eject. Bravo 1
1-3's
beats on
out.
ground.
Fucking
Oh lordy.
fucking technology.
You good, Grub?
I'm not with you.
Yeah, I can't fucking technology, man. I can't get up.
Use your, sorry to break immersion. Double tap B.
Double tap vector.
DC'd, mate.
There you
There you go, buddy.
Fucking piece of shit. Give me a parachute.
I don't see him.
No eyes.
Alright, in the building on the left. One down. Half, you right?
Yep.
Go. Contacts front.
Clear.
One's
north.
He's down.
Dave, watch this building from northwest. Dave, watch your right, watch your right.
Patching
Ooh.
up.
One, two.
Looks clear.
I think I have a HBT. Oh shit.
You can take him down if he fires.
Oh fucking hell. He's in
Yeah,
that
let's
room. With a
let's try and
Continue clearing buildings when you see
Down the ground.
southwest.
friendly's coming around.
Bradley's here.
Wounded.
Red blues coming behind you.
Yeah, I am.
Experiment on you.
Alright, let's breach it. Breaching.
Friendly.
Oh fuck me.
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, are you making fun of my ray gun?
It looks like a ray gun. It's got red lights and yellow,
Bravo copies, Bravo.
green lights on it, and it looks fucking awesome. I got a Poxy SMG.
I'm moving up.
Into the house.
No eyes yet.
Back up.
No entrances are on the west side. There is a gate. Copy.
You go left. Blue, we're going right.
Red smoke and
Green going left.
Going left.
Left, going right.
Red smoke compound. Seen, already called it in.
Second story window.
Yep, get cover.
Okay, green. Follow up blue. We're going to clear these buildings to the right.
Green copies. Pushing
I'll
in.
get a vehicle. Where'd you go?
In here.
Alright, I'm in.
Opening.
Oh, I might have hit you.
Really?
Jesus. What the hell?
Well, Alpha, wonderful.
That's friendly.
Friendly.
Friendlies!
Got him.
Medical one.
Friendly through this door. Opening door. Friendly, friendly, friendly.
Please just patching up.
Medical duties push out. Already on side.
Oh my god!
Contact at the gate! South.
Eyes on.
Where's my
purple heart?
Get it to you.
Grenade! Grenade! Grenade!
You take point.
No.
Great.
Grenade.
Grenade.
Rear of the compound.
Ags and
On your 6.
Copy. Thank you.
You're wounded,
You're a
by the way,
bullet
Max.
magnet.
Yeah, treat
Hells
me.
yeah, I am.
You good, Nick?
You guys are
Yeah,
right.
one sec. One last
Clear stairs
biophone.
together, boys. Clear
Alright, you ready to breach this door?
Yep.
Alright, where's
Yeah,
Alright,
Bravo
3,
1-1,
2,
this is
1.
Bravo Medic. I think we've just lost
Clear.
Bravo Actual. Take command.
we successfully secured the
1-1 copies.
Just right in my ass.
The enemies have biofoam on them. If you can, loot the corpses.
Try not to.
Drowning.
Good?
Too late.
Yeah, hit. Oh, bad eye. You're running on.
Warlocks! Yes!
Yeah, just do it. I'll see what we can do.
We clear the reset now. Yeah, good.
Bravo on me.
Even boys.
Remember, we have Havoc in a Warthog. Don't shoot at them. Copy.
Oh! How did I miss that?
Through the.
They, remember they do like, laying down in those buildings.
Yep. Holy shit!
Friendly! Oh, that might be shooting.
What the hell was that?
I think it was friendly.
Friendly, stop shooting me.
Really?
Friendly's over this way!
Friendly!
I think they're engaging inside buildings.
Okay, so I just got hit by straight
Friendly's in the
cool.
building.
Yeah. Pull back, Hoff.
One stay on the northern side of the road through center of town.
Jesus.
Copy.
We got red
getting
smoke.
shot by Alpha. Yeah, understood.
Red smoke.
Friendly's coming out.
Green, how you going? Green's good.
Was that, is that shots to our left?
I don't think so.
They grow up.
Oh, I'm hit.
On the wrong side of the road, buddy.
I don't know where that came from.
I see it.
Friendlies!
Really? That's the third time.
Contact in the, southeast.
They're building southwest. I think.
not.
Upstairs, upstairs. Back. Who's this?
Hello.
Go check back through here.
How are you doing?
Friendly.
Oh, I shot a friendly.
We're getting shot from the top.
Friendlies!
What the fuck?
Who's up?
Who's shooting? Yeah.
God damn it.
Actual one.
Contact east, maybe.
Is actual send it.
Yeah, I'm right next to you. Can you ask Al to stop fucking shooting us, please?
I shot Alpha too.
There's another building behind.
Yeah, so am I.
Friendly's ahead.
Yeah,
Friendly.
clean.
This door and
Friendly.
Friendly.
That's a guy inside.
Get him.
No idea. Yeah, he's down.
Opening.
He's down.
Friendly's coming
Room's clear.
Yes, want one of them.
Everyone's done with that building. Move on me.
Opening the door. Friendly's coming in.
Done.
Whoa,
shots to the right, shots to the right.
Friendly's friendly.
There's this scene at the end of Elysium where the guy picks up a railgun. And he just fucking shreds a dude through a wall. It basically blows his arms, legs, and head off. These guns are basically like that.
Yeah.
100 meters.
Where we shot from?
Contact northwest.
Northwest.
Oh my god.
Contact northeast.
Drop roulette. Hey, Pam.
That was me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm back up. Ah, fuck. Thanks, buddy.
Okay, hold on the HE.
Okay. Blitz down again. Okay, you're hitting the
Off on
head
me.
and the arm.
Yep.
Doing your
Off.
head now. Okay, hit the
Frag, take cover.
smallish hole.
Hoff, let's bound up to this building here. 3, 2, 1.
Actual one. Is actual send it. Yeah, we're taking a fair
Left.
amount of contact from the northeast
Oh, I think I just shot you.
Yeah, understood. I'm in with you.
Further to the right.
Oh my god, I don't see him. Get in here.
Jesus Christ.
Get in here.
Okay, I'm doing your head now.
Somehow I am not completely fucked.
I think I am. Oh!
Get patched up.
Contact south.
You good?
And well, keep pushing.
You still up, Huff?
Yep.
Northeast. That's left.
Stupid SMG won't reach that far.
Rex.
I see you, asshole.
Right, relax. Green, you
Suck my dick.
contact front.
What the fuck is that?
Who brought the tractor? God.
This sounds so stupid.
There we go.
There we go. Fuck.
Come on,
Everyone dismount,
come.
dismount, dismount. Actually, yeah.
Oh, down
I'm in trouble.
Oh,
We got Wilson's down. He's up.
Just on my back. The overturned elephant.
Alright, this is
flip
a
the elephant.
improvised fighting position.
See what I can do.
For those that are stuck,
Oh,
if
it's,
you press your V button to break immersion.
So you,
Oh!
Just leave it.
Raging and off.
I'm up. I'm
I don't know how I survived that.
Knocked out.
No one touch it.
okay.
Hold security,
hold
Security. Bravo, get your team out of here.
Press that button and it reverts to a
Alright,
10.
thank you. Close.
Everyone start moving towards the objective.
Horrible.
Contact down.
No, he's still up. He's down now.
Oh, thank you, God.
When they come in.
Just push straight through. Push.
All down.
Good. Hey, coming out.
Friendly.
Somebody coming out.
Okay, we're
I
gonna go down
see
and clear
you.
this one.
Friendly. Friendly's coming in.
Hang on.
Friendly's coming in.
Pop.
Opening.
I'm gonna cap his ass.
He's down.
Get executed. Oh boy. How far are the rest away?
Not all that, to be honest. Not all that far, to be honest.
Yeah.
Once we're all in here too, I'll get us all joining on me, so I can see us all on check tech.
If I board this vehicle, will it fly into the air?
Please don't.
Roger.
Vehicle because we
Putting on weight here.
Enemies on the road, apparently. Holy shit, this thing is fast! Wow!
Maneuverable too.
Oh,
Get us killed.
oh my god.
We're sure our driver know what he's doing. I really hope so.
Don't make me regret my decision.
This thing is wild.
Alright, Chucky,
With great
calm down.
power.
Shut up.
Great responsibility.
Great big diving boot.
No. Jesus,
Easy. Breathe, mate.
this thing is fucked.
There's a contact standing right next to that kicking up vehicle.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Oh,
I'm dismount.
Vehicle right.
oh my god.
Behind us.
It's up the road behind. We just left.
What is the actual
Copy
fucking point of this little visor in front of me? It shows me what's directly
Right,
ahead.
guys, raise my order.
Thing, you say misfire and then it's all good, right? Yeah?
More or less.
So I can, you know.
I would not blue on blue. Get you in bed. Deep water.
There was a lot
Hey
of
Lieutenant, how are you doing? Bang! Oh, misfire. Whoops.
One, move back to vehicles and remount.
Why are you using a
Oh,
pistol?
because I
Sorry,
can.
How did you do that?
It's dumb.
Oh yeah, I think I
You're
got
dumb.
you shooting him
You're
through the
dumb.
window.
Okay.
You're fucking dumb.
You're fucking dumb.
Guys, keep clear.
That's the other. But Steve, Wilson, stay still, mate. You're hitting the arm.